Thanks for watching Tech It Out. Click the subscribe button and enable notifications with the bell icon.
What is this way of eating? Even cows cannot eat better than you. You have no manners. You don't know how to eat. You have no etiquette. Have you paid the electricity bill? I know you haven't paid the electricity bill. And I know this because you haven't paid it the last month. You haven't paid it the month before.
Hi guys, you're watching Tech It Out with me, Aditya. And if you want to go from noise to no noise, just like that, then keep watching. Because in today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of this little puppy right here. So, let's take it out. Alright guys, so as more and more smartphone manufacturers continue to remove the 3.5mm headphone jack from our smartphones, we're all kind of left with using some sort of wireless earphones for our media consumption. Cause who wants to carry a dongle around, right? Well, not me for sure. And also with the introduction of Bluetooth 5.0, I think the technology has finally reached a point where it's mature enough to actually replace our wired earphones without sacrificing a lot of quality. And in light of all of this, I got myself these Noise Shots X5 in-ear Bluetooth headphones. These come in at around 4,999 bucks, and I think they're a great budget buy. So without further ado, let's get right into the unboxing. Okay guys, so here it is. This is the box that it comes in, and you can see, right in the front of the box, you have this nice little graphic of the earbuds and the charging case, and got some branding here saying Noise and Shots X5 over here. And we have underneath over here, we've got the specifications, what's included in the package and other things. And on the back side of the package over here, we can see that it says it's water and sweat resistant IPX5, and the Bluetooth has a working range of 10 meters, and it's also Bluetooth 5, it states right here. And a fun fact, the earbud has a battery of 60 mAh, and the charging case has a 2200 mAh battery, which should give us a playtime of about 3.5 hours. That's what it says here. So let's open the box up and let's see what's inside. And it slides out like this right here. So let's get this out of the way, and you can see right in up front and center, we have this charging case right here and the earbuds right here. Let's see how this feels. It's pretty good. It's got a rubberized texture, and it seems to be pretty grippy and pretty sturdy. So let's put that on a side for a second, and let's see what else is included in the box. So let me go ahead and pull this out right here, and yep, it's out. Let's put that on the side for a second, and you see over here inside the box, underneath the whole earbuds, we have this little booklet here, which is I think a quick start guide. Let's open it up and see what it is. Okay, thank you. Okay, you're welcome. It says thank you right there. Yes, it is. It's the whole installation guide, how to connect it with your phone and all the other things. It's the user manual. So that's one thing. Let's put that on the side again. And there's something more under this, so let's pop this open right here, and it comes out just like that. And inside we can see that we've got one extra pair of the rubber rubber earbuds, and we also have a charging cable, okay, which doesn't seem to be a good quality charging cable. It's pretty flimsy and thin. I don't know how long this will last, but let's see. Anyway, it's not got a big battery, so it doesn't really need a very good quality wire, so I guess this should be okay. Let's put that on a side, and let's get our earbuds here. And these are our earbuds. Let's get this plastic out of the way, and this is the charging case. Let me get that out. Okay, and okay, it seems pretty nice. It's got a little opening over here. Let's open it up and see. So this is where you would plug the charger in, and this is another USB port, and there's this tiny little LED here to indicate when the case is charging. And let's put that protective thing back on, and it opens up like this, and it's okay. And that flap is kind of flimsy. It's not too good. but it does have a magnet to hold it together, so that's a good thing. And you can see that the earbuds fit right in over here, and whenever you put them in, they start charging. These are the contact points for the charging of the earbuds. So that's the case. Let's get the earbuds out, and we've got one on this side and one on this side. Let's put that aside, and here they are. These are the two earbuds. It's got some noise branding on the front, and it's got two buttons, and it's also got an LED here. So yeah, if I don't know if you can see, but it's got an LED right there which blinks to indicate whether it's paired or not. And also when you pop them inside the charging case, they should indicate that they are charging. And let's see if it works. Yup, as you can see, it's got this white LED coming on and off. It's to indicate that the earbuds are charging. And you can close. It's pretty compact also. I think it's going to be very easy to carry around also, and it's not at all heavy. I think it's pretty light. It's a great thing to carry around. It's pretty sturdy. It's a good rugged feel to it also. And let's go ahead and pair them up with our phone, and let's see how easy that is to do. So to do that, I have my phone right here, and let me go ahead and unlock my phone, and let me go to my settings and Bluetooth. And as you can see, there's nothing under Bluetooth right now, so let me go ahead and pop these earbuds out and see if they appear in my Bluetooth. It says there's another mobile phone around, which yes, there it is. You can see X5, it's popped up right in my Bluetooth menu. So let me go ahead and tap on that to connect it. And connected. That's how easy it is to connect. Let's see if it works. Let me go to YouTube and try and play some music, and let's see if it works. Yep, they are working. I don't know if you can hear it. Yep, and that's how easy it is to just kind of connect them to your phone and pair them with your phone. So it's pretty straightforward and simple. And so that's it, and let's go ahead and see how they sound in the ear. So I'm going to plug them in my ear now and see how they sit in my ear also, and how they feel, how easy it is to get them out of my ear, and will they hold, will they, like, if you're running with them on, will they fall out or anything like that. So this is the right one right here, and let me put that in my ear and see. And there it is. That's how it sits in the ear, and that's how it looks. And let me see if it falls out. Well, okay. It seems pretty sturdy. I don't think it's going to fall out. I don't think I'm going to have a problem with it falling out, popping out or anything like that. So it's pretty good. Let me go ahead and put the second one also in, the left one in, and there it is. Put it in. Okay, and there's nothing playing right now on it, but I must say it's doing a great job of cancelling the ambient noise already. I can't really hear too many things around me right now. And let me go ahead and play something and see how it sounds actually. Okay, so I have to say it sounds great, and it's got a good amount of bass, which is what I like. It's a pretty small little thing, and it's got a good amount of bass in it for the size. And also the mids and the high ranges are pretty clear also. It does a great job of noise cancelling because of these little ear caps that it has. It just cancels out all the ambient noise around me. So I think they sound great, and I think they're a great budget buy. So definitely check them out. Okay guys, so that was the unboxing and review of the Noise Shots X5 in-ear Bluetooth headphones. And I think they are great. They sound pretty good. They come in at a good price point, and I think they are a great budget option. So if any of you guys are looking to buy some great budget Bluetooth earphones, then definitely go check them out. And to help you guys speed up that process, I've left a link down in the description. So go check it out. And I hope you enjoyed my video and liked my video. If you did, then do let me know by hitting that like button down below and sharing this video with a lot of your friends. And also, if there's anything that you'd like to say to me, then go ahead and do that in the comment section below. Also, if you like to be updated about the tech world, what's happening in the tech world, about new technologies, new gadgets, everything that's happening in the tech world, then definitely subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to never miss another video from me. And I promise you, I'll keep you up to speed with the tech world. And if you'd like to keep in touch with me on other platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc., 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 then all those links will be down in the description as always. And that's it for me for today, guys. But I'll see you soon in my next video. And until then, keep teching it out.